Here we are on our down day, making our snack bags. We've got all the food out on the bed. Uncle Norm has his food out over there. Adam is struggling to get the Ritz cracker thing open with a nice view of the lake right here.
I did it!
It's got like multi-level. I saw a picture, and the picture I saw said it was kind of dry when the people were here, but there's been a lot of rain, so I'm hopeful that, and the people in the parking lot just told us that there's a lot of water coming over right now, but it has like multi-levels. I want to say like 4 or 6 that come right down, so
Really?
it looks like it's going to be pretty cool from the picture.
Yeah.
And there's a good flow down there.
Yeah. This UR here doesn't help us very much because it looks like it disappeared. Which way do we have to go?
Pick one.
But where are we?
I don't know.
I think this is
This
is probably the parking lot, right?
Yep.
So then
Waterfall. Is this? Is that still on the map? Nope. It's all gone.
So
Just keep going.
but which way?
Oh, wait, this is the parking.
Wait, that's the parking lot. Okay, so then we must be down here. Oh, if somebody put an X that said
Here.
because it got washed away. Thank you, whoever did that. Okay, so then
Let's go. It's not long anyway.
it's not long, yeah.
Go on.
So then we'll try and do this loop
You
probably.
gotta go
right?
up to get to it, she said.
Or wait, isn't this the Falls Trail? It says this is the Falls Trail, right? So we'll stay left the whole time then. Okay. So the people at the front that we saw, or some people who just came off the trail, said that you can go a little bit past the hazardous conditions sign, although I don't know how this really makes sense right now because it says winter conditions and it's July.
People
so
are coming.
yeah, we see more people coming from ahead. How are you supposed to use this QR code if there's no service? Dad just told me that he can see the falls